Top focus now, a 17-year-old running over two techies in Pune while driving a Porsche has become the talk of the town, with new details coming about every day. The police chief have now defended the action in the Pune Porsche horror. They deny any pizza party at the police station on the night of the incident. The Pune cops also alleged that there was a cover-up bid that was an attempt which was made to destroy the evidence collected in the case. Now, remember, the boy has been meanwhile sent to a remand home till the 5th of June after initially being granted bail by the court on the condition that he write an essay on drinking and driving. The police have also revealed that the boy and two of his friends who were in the luxury car had visited a pub in Pune where they spent close to 48,000 rupees. Listen in to what the police had to say.
हमारे जांच में ये स्पष्ट आया है कि ये जो जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड है यही गाड़ी चला रहा था और इसके लिए क्रोनोलॉजिकली जो एविडेंस ज़रूरी थे वो एविडेंस इकट्ठा किए गए हैं। उदाहरण के तौर पे जब वो घर से निकला था उसके घर के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के पास की जो रजिस्टर है उसमें पहली एंट्री है कि ये लड़का, ये आरोपी ये गाड़ी लेके निकला है। इस प्रकार के सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस और अलग अलग एविडेंस, टेक्निकल एविडेंस के तौर पे हमने हमारी निश्चित हुई है कि ये गाड़ी ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज चला रहा था। All angles are being investigated and I did say earlier a while back that yes, there was some attempt by the father of the accused to change the driver. That has come to light and we are exploring application of section 201 IPC in the said case.
My colleague Paras joins us with more details. Paras, now the police commissioner saying that there was no lapse on the side of the police. He's also saying that the father of the accused had tried to change the driver once the incident came to light.
Yeah, of course, we are telling our audience from last 2 days that there was something that his father wanted to destroy, and he has destroyed so many clues which can help out in the investigation to Pune Crime Branch and Pune Police. Now, officially, the Commissioner of Pune Police has said that his father has destroyed some of the clues which was very much important for this investigation. Plus, he tried to exchange the driver after this whole incident happened. What NDTV is learning from the sources is that after the incident, driver was called by the accused father and his mother, and driver was told to take all the blame on him, that he was driving the car, and with that he will be getting money to take all the blame on himself. So this is a very big situation which has occurred right now, and Pune Police has said that they are investigating more on this entire situation. Today, the remand of accused father is going to get over, but Pune Crime Branch will shout for another 2 days because this entire case is getting more and more complicated every day. So now at 3 p.m. the district court, Pune Crime Branch will shout for the extra remand of accused father.
Right, Paras, there's also political pressure that's increasing on the police at this point.
Yeah, there is a political pressure because this case has become a nationwide issue because Rahul Gandhi is speaking about it, Sharad Pawar is speaking about it, all the parties are targeting each other, political parties are only doing the blame game on each other, but the main issue is over there is that the two people has lost their lives, and a person who has did this is in child remand home right now. Pune Police is investigating into multiple angles what has happened, what can happen, what will happen. So there are many stuff which are Pune Police is investigating into, but the major thing which has came out is that the parents of accused has called driver after the incident and has said to take blame on himself, and for that he will be paid.
Right, Paras, the police also said that there was an attempt made to destroy the evidence in the case.
Yeah, of course, I had just told you that the police has said that officially that his parents, his father has tried attempting destroying many clues. He has destroyed many clues. He started with escaping his plan. He has planned his escape. He went to Aurangabad. Over there, he destroyed some of the major clues. He just tried to convince driver to take all the blame on him. On in this entire investigation, one more important thing has came in. Then first day when the driver was told to come to crime branch and interrogation was started by the Pune police. Over there, the driver had said that he was driving, but it was under pressure of someone, and the pressurized person who was pressurized this very driver was the father of the accused. So whole incident was taken place in Saturday. After that, there were many things which has came out in the light, and the major thing which has come into light is that
Right.
he was offered money to take all the blame on him, the driver.
Right. Thank you, Paras.